Right there, guys and girls. Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. We're here on our stopover. We just had our CR break. Hi, I'm eating right now my candy pili nuts that I bought to the vendor who hopped in here inside of the bus. This is 4 packs of this is 100, and then when you try to say no, okay, I'm gonna make it 105 pieces. So they just want to make some sales, that's why, and I helped them. They also bought a jar, which also cost 100 pesos. At first he offered me 250, and then I already ate my 2 sandwiches, egg sandwich that my mother and my sister prepared when I was there in Legazpi, San Roque. But for now, anytime from now, the bus will move going there in Manila. You know what? I just wanna tell you, the bus conductor received 1,000 pesos that I give to him, and then he wanted to give me the change of 100. I told him that no, it's 200 that you have to give me, because it's 800 that we have agreed with his co-employee, the one who makes some bookings. And then at first it, okay, hold on. But for now,